busy over here in Townsend. People whitewater raft, just river rafting. River rafting. I don't know why I want to say whitewater. Looks like that wood thing is busy. Oh yeah. Oh wait a minute. Yeah, there's Bigfoot. Of course, it is a Bigfoot festival. He carved a Bigfoot out of that tree. Man, they got all kinds of bear carvings there. Look like they're on trees.
Sit down. Sit down. Behave.
Totem poles. That guy's got all kinds of carvings. Over here in Townsend, Tennessee. And Jeeps. Look at the Jeeps. I wonder if they all came in for the Bigfoot Festival.
Well, they got that Jeep.
Oh yeah, that's right. That Jeep store right there. Yeah. There's a Jeep store there. They got some food trucks and everything. Yeah, big old all these t-shirts. I wonder how many of them are Bigfoot t-shirt. Townsend's sportswear. Simply Southern collection. It must be so busy they even got the police out here directing. Now we're on our way to Cades Cove.
Oh, you got pops alert over here.
Yeah.
You need to behave that way.
Yeah, police directing traffic for all this. Bigfoot Festival.
Just think you got 10 back on this.
Maybe we'll spot Bigfoot over here. Seems like I heard on the news that they're going to do parking down here at the Heritage Center. I don't know.
Food trucks in there.
Yeah, they got food trucks everywhere. People are walking everywhere. Hey, there goes the pink Jeep tours. Townsend is one jumping town, I'll tell you that.
See, that's just it. They could be parking down here and walk on.
Yeah.
Festival there.
Well, look over there. I mean, that campground is booming.
We would never hardly anything.
No. And the Tube River Rage, look how busy it is. Yeah, I think down here it says like event parking. Oh, Abby, you want to see Bigfoot too? Huh? Yeah, right here. You gotta go in here, parking lot, $20 to park to go see Bigfoot or go find him.
That's somebody's driveway.
There's the Heritage Center parking. Well, they got some. Well, they got big old Sasquatch right out there. There he is. Well, there's big old Sasquatch. Man, he got a good little turnout. Oh, yeah, I got parking over here.
They pretty well got that parking going.
Yeah, yeah.
Nobody can jack the rate. Everybody's $20.
Of course, right down here on the left is KOA.
KOA.
KOA. Not POA. KOA. KOA. Sorry, POA.
You think POA so different KOA?
Hey, POA does work at KOA. So we can go POA, KOA.
So does Bill from Nursing Out Travel Bus.
Oh, it's busy back in
That's
here.
why he missed the live stream last night for KOA.
Oh, he gonna do some work camping, huh? Little Arrow Outdoor Resort. All over here, right by Cades Cove. And I mean, if all you want to do is just go up in the mountains, those are perfect campgrounds for you.
Where you going, bud?
I mean, why get you a campground right into town if you're gonna just go over here? Oh, there's all kinds of people down there waiting and in their inner tubes down in the...
Dinner and cheers.
Yeah. It there to the left. And I didn't see Bigfoot though. I bet the Schickster knows where he is. He's always out looking for Bigfoot. That's why Schickster can never make my live streams. He's out hunting for Bigfoot. It is pretty back in here. Townsend is supposed to be the quiet side of the Smoky Mountains.
A lot of keys in the front back there.
Uh-oh.
Guess they don't have one car, so I've got to be on the side.
I wouldn't want to lock my keys in my vehicle. It is packed along here. I guess everybody wanting to get down there in the water. 81 degrees. Of course, I don't know what the temperature of that water is. We're going to head to Cades Cove and see if we can find any wildlife. But that is a popular spot where people go down there and wade and inner tube and all that.
Swim.
Yeah, swim. Off to Cades Cove we go. See y'all later. But this is the little store where you can get supplies over here in Cades Cove while you're camping or just coming through here. They got t-shirts, ice creams, soda pops and chips and different things, and restrooms. They got a teardrop coming in. But this is a really nice little store. Got vending machines. Really nice store. Then rent bikes here. Here's all the information about it. Cades Cove Bike Rentals. Bike the Loop, $26.99, Meals on Wheels. Purchase t-shirts and souvenirs in the retail shop. They sell firewood. It's a nice little thing to have over here. Let's go in the little store over here and take a look around. You got all kinds of little souvenirs in here. Jellies and jams and mugs. All kinds of little things. If you want to take home a little souvenir. And up there's the menu for soft serve ice cream and sandwiches and chips and all kinds of stuff.